UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson warned his cabinet on Tuesday to expect a huge spike of Omicron infections. The government says getting a booster jab is the best way to protect the country's fragile health system. And so for a second day, thousands waited outside vaccination centres across the country. But social distancing is coming back. The government is introducing wider mask wearing and vaccine passports for crowded venues, measures that have provoked opposition from some of Boris Johnson's own MPs.
These are not steps that we would take lightly. I firmly believe in individual liberty and that the curbs should be placed on our freedoms only in the most gravest of circumstances. And not only that, I am of course mindful of the cost that restrictions can bring to the nation's health, to our education, to the economy.
There was a glimmer of good news from South Africa, where the first real-world data from 78,000 Omicron cases finds it to be 23% less severe than the Delta variant. This accounted for lower hospitalizations and proves existing vaccines still provide some protection.
What is clear is that vaccinated individuals are experiencing milder infections in general, and that's supported by the data shown by the 70% effectiveness against severe illness, and also supported by anecdote where we're hearing that it's primarily the unvaccinated that are requiring admission and also that are requiring oxygen in hospital.
Pfizer-BioNTech also announced on Tuesday new data on its antiviral treatment pill called Paxlovid. It shows it's 89% effective at preventing serious illness and death in vulnerable patients. That and other tablet forms of treatment will come onto the market early next year. But for the next few weeks, Omicron infections will continue to increase in many countries at a much faster rate than previous waves. And for now, vaccine boosters seem the only way to manage its effects. Simon McGregor-Wood, TRT World.